What if I told you that the next world war might not be started by a president, a dictator, or even a terrorist, but by a machine? Imagine an AI misreading a threat, launching missiles, and triggering global chaos, all without a single human pressing a button. This isn't science fiction anymore. Superpowers like the US, China, and Russia are handing more and more control to AI. But what happens when machines think faster than humans and decide war is the only option? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover is terrifyingly real. AI start a world war without human approval. Imagine a world where war breaks out. Not because a human decided to attack, but because a machine did. A war started by artificial intelligence, without human permission, without warning, and possibly without mercy. Can AI start World War III without human approval? We live in a world where artificial intelligence decides what videos we watch, what news we see, even what we buy. But now, it's being trusted with something much deadlier, the power to kill. And here's the terrifying part, the machines may not wait for our permission. What is military AI? Military AI is more than just smart software. It's an ecosystem: satellites, drones, surveillance systems, and autonomous weapons, all interconnected and learning in real time. It can identify enemies faster than the human eye, launch drone strikes in milliseconds, defend against cyber attacks, and even make life or death decisions without human input. And it's not just the US, Russia, China, Israel, India, and dozens of others are developing AI for warfare. Because whoever dominates military AI may dominate the world. The AI arms race has already begun. Let's be clear, we're not talking about the future. The AI arms race is already underway. Examples: Russia is building AI-driven missile systems and autonomous tanks. China has developed AI-enabled hypersonic missile targeting. The US launched Project Maven. AI interprets drone footage to eliminate targets. This isn't just about defense. It's about who pulls the trigger first, and who lets the machine do it. Real incidents where AI took over. Let's talk about real incidents. Libya, 2020, an autonomous drone hunted and attacked a human target without command. Israel's AI hunting AI, during conflicts with Hamas, AI-guided real-time targeting. Northrop Grumman X-47B, a stealth drone that takes off, refuels, and lands without a pilot. AI is already making decisions that kill. The danger of autonomous decisions: AI doesn't understand human motives, emotion, or diplomacy. Imagine an AI sees military activity near a hospital. It might classify it as a threat and strike. A human would double-check. AI doesn't. The danger grows when AIs learn from other AIs. Feedback loops can spiral into catastrophe. Escalation scenarios. Let's walk through 3 terrifying escalation scenarios that experts say are entirely possible. Scenario 1, false positives. AI detects a missile launch that's just a test, but it interprets it as an attack and launches a real retaliatory strike instantly. Scenario 2, border AI standoff. 2 nations have AI systems at their border. One detects movement, the other reacts. Each triggers a strike. Humans can't intervene fast enough. The war begins and escalates within minutes. Scenario 3, rogue coder. A black hat hacker infiltrates an AI system. They manipulate the threat detection data. The system thinks it's under attack and responds with lethal force. Why AI is more dangerous than nukes? People compare AI to nuclear weapons. But here's the scary truth. AI is more unpredictable. and potentially more dangerous. With nukes, there's a chain of command. Precedents, codes, protocols. With AI, it could be instant, invisible, and irreversible. Elon Musk warned, "We are summoning the demon. AI might one day outthink us. And outgun us?" What's being done? Some are fighting back. The UN has proposed bans on autonomous weapons. Human Rights Watch is pushing for treaties. But powerful nations are blocking these moves, afraid of falling behind. Meanwhile, Google employees once protested when their AI was used in Project Maven. But the project moved forward. Because in war, AI is the ultimate weapon. What happens next? So, can AI start a world war without human approval? Yes, and it's closer than we think. The systems are being built. The decisions are being automated. And unless we draw a hard line now, the machines may make the deadliest choice humanity has ever faced. Because the next world war might begin with a line of code. If this video gave you chills, share it. Let people know what's coming. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into the dark side of geopolitics and tech. And comment below, should AI be banned from warfare entirely? Or is it already too late?